Determine the length of the horizontal roofing beam required to support a roof of pitch 16 degrees as shown alongside. So you wouldn't be expected to know what pitch means in context, so you're never going to be given a word like that without being given the diagram. So what I am going to do, just look at the diagram. Is there anything that can help us a lot? And actually, what are we looking for? So we're looking for the length of horizontal roofing beams. So what we want is this whole length here. So that is our X. Okay, now we're definitely not going to be able to go immediately to it. So what is the key to this question? These lines here. You can see there's a line there and a line there. And what that means is equal lengths. And it means isosceles triangle. If you have an isosceles triangle, then you will be able to draw a line of symmetry like that, which is really handy because not only does it split the thing in two, as in equal, but it also makes right angles. So we now have a right angle here, right? So actually, I could call that X, or it might be easier to call this maybe 2X. And if I know this might be X, or you could call the first one X and the other one X over 2. I think it's easier this way. Right, so now I have my right angle triangle, which I am actually going to draw separately. I think it's a good idea. So we have 16 degrees. We have X that we're looking for. We have a right angle here, and we have 9.4 meters, right? So two sides, one angle. I'm looking for one side. I've got an angle and a side to find it. I've got a right angle. It's trigonometry. It's soccer tower. It's HOA ring ring. So let's do some labeling. H, longest side, opposite the right angle. O, opposite the angle in the question. The angle in the question here is the 16 degrees. Opposite the 16 is here. O. A, the other one. So we've done our HOA. Now we need our ring ring to decide which two sides are involved. Well, the 9.4 we are given. We're going to use it. The X, we have been asked to find it. So those two are involved. The O, we haven't been asked to find it, and we don't know it, so it is not involved. Now we need to decide, are we on SO, CA, or TOA? So if you're AH, they appear in the cos, so it's CA. CA means cos, and it means cos angle equal A over H, adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos angle, well, the angle is 16, equals A, well, A is the X over H, 9.4. So, need a rearrangement. You want to get the X on its own, so we're going to multiply through by 9.4. So this 9.4 needs to go upstairs as a multiplier. So it's going to say 9.4 times cos 16 equals X. Okay, so X equals 9.4 times cos 16. So you go to your calculator. Again, you should always check you're in, unless you're certain you're in degree mode, you should check. So menu setup. I am in degree mode, so it's okay. If I wasn't, I would just press F1 for deg. And I need to do 9.4 times cos 16. Like that. And that gives me an answer of 9.0358. 9.0358599. Now, what you will see a lot of people doing, and it's probably something I should have done at the start, remember what we're actually looking to find now. A way to avoid this is really cognitive overload, because you've kind of put all this effort into actually identifying the triangle, or getting a triangle, solving the triangle, finding the X. We need to remember, many people will forget this last step, which is to double it, because if you look at the triangle we're working with, we're actually looking for this whole, the whole way across. We're looking for 2X and not X. So maybe a way this could be avoided, just another exam tip. What we could have done is I could have written at the bottom 2x equals, I could have written that at the start as soon as I got the diagram drawn, and then I would know, I would remember I need to double. So I'm going to double this number before I round. So times 2, and that gives me 18.07. 171,988. So now I can round to 3 significant figures. So length equals 18.1, and the units are meters. It's a roof beam. That's to 3 sig figs.